Aero Products' role in the industry today is being a Part 145 repair station, specializing in components and distribution, everything from law enforcement to private operators, ag ships, and corporate aircraft.
It's a tip-to-tail solution. If we don't have it, we'll try to find it for you, and if there's a better solution from somewhere else, we'll find that for you too.
As a Bell Service Center, we concentrate on all the Bell model aircraft, on component overhaul, field maintenance, hydraulics, starter generators, and all the accessories. We've implemented SMS quite a few months before the deadline, as we wanted to incorporate that into our company culture early rather than just force it in, and it's working out really well for us.
I think bringing SMS into the company, what it does is it highlights safety.
You need to embrace it. You need to build it into your culture. By treating it as that, then it is ingrained into people and it keeps us safer.
Our Black Hawk projects are definitely the future of Aero Products.
So one of these Black Hawks here is an A model. We're using it for parts and development. The other one's an L model. The one behind it, we're building that one up for our own use.
This is a UH-60L model. It was in the BEST program. We're in the middle of turning this into a flyable helicopter again.
So we're still seeing a lot of demand for these old steam gauges. There are probably several thousand aircraft around the world still flying them.
We disassemble them and then reassemble them, balance and calibrate them and test them the way and fit to go back into the aircraft. When you cage it, you're pulling this actuator down like this and it brings it up to the stable position.
So this is our parts room. This is where I tell everybody all the magic happens. We have rows upon rows of just new Bell parts, new Airbus parts. This is where we store all of our new parts that are small and we can keep inside, not big, huge parts that have to go in the warehouse.
Well, this fly-in has been great. It's really nice that Aero Products takes the time, the expense to put this on for the industry, and it's a great way for a lot of us rotor heads to come together.
This is my second year coming to the fly-in, which it's been fun so far. We have a lot of IA renewal courses, different vendors come out, some of them which we operate with, such as Safran Engines.
We've been coming up flying event for a number of years now. We've always had a very close relationship with Aero Products. We're here to show support for these guys because they're a great support unit for us.